This is Ushasri, an ECC student. Today my topic is very powerful and more controversy topic. Today this seen everywhere in the world, very common in every life, that is corruption. What is corruption? Corruption is misuse of public power or entrusted power, means heritage, education, expression, whatever it may be, for private gain is called corruption. According to Patterson, he gave a beautiful definition for corruption. He says that corruption is slowly destroy the decision-making process. For suppose that our thinking is like that, when we have a passion on money or any financial benefits, our decision-making slowly converted to opposite to the law and order and unethical way. That is called corruption. Affects our worst conditions that corruption is, who involved in corruption, definitely they may be settled in a higher positions, and people also believe that it is the only way to maybe work done. What is the effects? So many effects due to corruption. First one is lack of quality in service. In a system, there is a corruption, definitely there is no quality. To demand a quality, definitely we might to have a pay money. For example, a student buy a medicine seat by corruption in education. After completing his course, definitely they will not provide quality health service. In fact, he is not eligible for the seat, but he get the same seat by purchasing the seat. Second one, lack of development. Many new industries comes into the region and started the business there. For the reason is unsuitable for the industries, definitely they don't start there because unsuitable roads, unsuitable water, electricity is not proper. Definitely they don't start the industries here. Lack of foreign investments. So many instances are there. So many foreign investments are also coming to India and going back, because there is so many corruption in government bodies. And next one, lack of faith and trust in government. People really vote for who has faith and who think that who helps to, they only vote for the people. But they think that they involved in corruption, definitely the people who vote definitely lose their faith and may not vote for next time. And causes. Corruption is causes and cause is corruption. So many causes in corruption. Today I want to discuss with you few causes. First one, lack of ill fame. What is lack of ill fame? How it is related to corruption means, for example, if a person do misconduct or unacceptable thing is done, definitely they are avoided or punished. But in India, this is opposite. Who is in corruption or who is related to history, definitely they are in a prominent positions like MLA or ministers or any other prominent higher orders. So instead of being unrespectable, they are respected due to corruption. This is also one best cause of corruption. And second one, low accountability. In a government, corruption is very threat of corruption because low accountability. For example, government officers do not work proper excellence. For example, a government officer receives 100 files to check in a 1 week. But even they could not find 50 files in that week. They postpone the clearance of files. Definitely, at that time, the person give corruption to the another person to clearance the files. This lack of accountability in government, there is a chief source of corruption. If there is a mandate that all the files or at least 95% of the files can be cleared in the government within a short time, definitely the corruption may be reduced to large extent. And next one, lack of wages and skills. Many employees in government are paid for low salaries and wages. So due to this, most of them are turned to corruption due to financial benefits or anything, whatever it may be. This is also another reason. And lack of job opportunities. There is also this is also another cause of job corruption, because so many of them are not suitable for job, but in that time they give some money to the higher officials or politicians, they get the job and they do not provide proper facilities or anything, etc. So the measures is, first one is education. Education is the only way to reduce the corruption, not totally eliminated because it is not possible. And second one is NGOs and media, because they have an ability to reduce the corruption. So if they are taking interest on corruption, definitely it may be reduced. And we have to conclude that corruption is like a diabetes. Why we compare with diabetes means diabetes only controlled but not eliminated totally. Similarly, corruption only controlled but not eliminated. It is impossible, but our measures and efforts to try to restrict or restrict or product as well as possible from the corruption. Thank you for giving me the